Guys, tell, tell me why my usha fan is making this squeaking sound. I know it makes this squeaking sound. I never heard of a fan make this sound. Pause. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. As you can see, usha is fine. It's going high speed. Wow. Why?